Hi, I'm Betty Ingham, and I'm speaking on behalf of ExpertVillage. The floors in this house have all been replaced because the floors were originally so beaten up and so patched that we really couldn't use them. So we got the wood from a mill. It had to cure in the house 2 months before we could even put it down. We finished it with just a natural finish, no stain, because we wanted to accent the dark woodwork everywhere else in the house. We didn't want a dark floor as in a dark woodwork. We wanted to light against dark concept.